is actually insane. If we had been able to use 43 and gone over the Leo Frigo Bridge, we'd basically be there already.
Yes.
Instead, we're on Velp right now. By the time we get to Broadway, where would we have been?
We would have been completely through Green Bay and on Highway 54, which runs right into Oklahoma.
And Adam, you were saying just the wear and tear on the brakes of the vehicle. I mean,
yeah, with all the starting and stopping we have to do in Green Bay, it's a lot of extra wear and tear on the truck, mainly brakes, clutch, and a lot of extra used fuel. And sometimes it even if we hit a train up here, it could take an hour to get through Green Bay.
an hour to get through Green Bay.
I've already had it. I've
you hit
already
a train.
been sitting after we get through Broadway and we turn on to Monroe, or is that Dulce? Well, anyway, I think it's Dulce. There's train tracks there, and I've already had to sit